In this session, we will learn the date and cal command. So first we will start with the date command. Date commands will help to print or set the system date and time. So to print the date, we use the -d, and to set the date, we use the -s parameter. First we will understand the date command. This is the date command. In this date command, we'll get the complete system date and time, like Wednesday, April 29, the time, system time, and that time zone, and the year at the end. This date command is very helpful in a while doing scripting. Date command will also print today's date like that using the date only. So sometimes we need to print the previous and the next day's date. So using d parameter, we'll see how to print the dates. So first we'll see the printing of the yesterday's date. To print the yesterday's date, we need to do date hyphen d, that is 1 day ago. So this will print the yesterday's date as 28. Okay. There are another way to print the yesterday's dates, like date hyphen d. You just need to type a yesterday. This will also print that yesterday's date. And there is a one more uh, way to print that yesterday's date, that just we can use plus and minus symbol. -1 day ago. Oh, sorry, -1 day only. So this will print that yesterday's date. So now we have learned to print that yesterday's days. So we'll see, similarly we'll see the how to print the days for the next few days. So the same way, that day minus d plus 1 day. So this will print the tomorrow's date. Sometimes we also need to print some more days, like 30 days we can print using this. Just we have to replace the 1 to 30 days. This is the way. This will print the May date, and current date is April. Okay. So this way we can print the dates. Okay. So we can also print future dates using the days, like the date for the next Monday. So if you just wanted to print a date for the next Monday, what will be the date minus d next Monday. So this will print the next Monday's or the coming Monday's date. So this is how we can print the current, past, and future dates using the date command. But sometimes we need to format the date. To formatting date, like to print only year, month, date, or all with some specific delimiter. So in these sections, we will see only most common use formats, like to print year, month, date, some time, seconds, all these things. So to print the year only, we use date plus %Y. So this will print only the year which is in the current system 2020. Okay. So only if you want to print only last two digits, then we'll use the small y, that is 20. Similarly, to print the abbreviated month name, means just like that, uh, abbreviated month name, that only the few characters will get print, that is APR. This is an abbreviation of the April. So thus we use the small b parameter, and for the full month we use the capital B. like this. So we can also print the month, okay, which month it is currently. So for that number means we'll use, yeah, for the number months we'll use the small m, that will be the current month is 04, okay, like this. And similarly the day of month means the today's date, mostly it's use a d parameter, so 29. For hours we use that capital H parameter, and for minutes, current minutes of the system will use the m. For seconds we use the capital S. Here is the twist: if you want to print the seconds from the 1st Jan 1970, then we can use the small s. This will print the seconds from the 1st Jan 1970. So next we'll see how to print that all together minutes, hours and seconds. So for minutes, hours, seconds we use the capital T, that will print the minutes, hour and seconds. So this is for the date command. Now we move to the cal command. So the cal command is used to print the calendar of current month. That will be the simple cal. This print the calendar of the current month, and that today's date is getting highlighted. So now if you want to print a specific a full year calendar, then we can specify the complete year, like cal 2020. So this will print the calendar of year 2020. We can also print in the Julian format like cal hyphen j 2020. So this will print the calendar in Julian format. Now, moving further, if you want to print only a specific month, then what we will do, cal month from 1 to 12 and the year. So this will print the calendar of uh, 2020 for February month. So this is the February month. This is for that date and calendar. Thank you.